Ahan Shetty is done with the fake fights and is calling out social media for creating rivalries that don't even exist. Promoting his upcoming war drama Border 2, Ahan finally addressed constant comparison between him and fellow Gen Z actor Ahaan Panday, making it clear there is no competition, no Cold War and definitely no rivalry. In a candid chat with Bombay Times, the son of Sunil Shetty called out the toxic trend of judging actors through 2 or 3 seconds of viral clips, saying that's exactly how unnecessary divisions are manufactured online. According to Ahan, social media loves drama more than truth. I know that guy. I know how hard he's worked, he said, stressing that both actors are simply trying to build their own journeys in the same industry. There's love and respect, but that never gets shown. The comparison intensified after Ahaan Panday's dream debut Sayyara turned into a box office tsunami, collecting a reported 570 crore worldwide, even outshining heavyweights like Three Idiots and Dhunki. Meanwhile, Ahan's own debut Tarap in 2021 had a far more modest run, earning over 35 crore globally on a 27 crore budget, numbers that quickly turned into trolls. And Ahan isn't running away from the reality. Post Tarap, the actor admits his journey has been anything but easy. Nepotism criticism, box office comparison and online ridicule followed him closely. But instead of denying privilege, Ahan owned it. My dad is an actor. I wanted this life. So I decided to focus 200% on my work and block out the noise, he shared, calling his career so far a long, uncertain and painful learning curve. What clearly frustrates him is not comparison, but misinterpretation. Ahan says off camera the so-called rivals actually share warmth, encouragement and understanding, something social media ignores. One industry, different paths. He explained, adding that the obsession with pitting star kids against each other only fracture peers who should be supporting one another. As Border 2 gears up for its January 23 release, Ahan is now backing on performance to shift the conversation. In JP Datta's high-octane war sequel, he steps into the role of Lieutenant Commander MS Rawat, sharing screen space with Sunny Deol, Varun Dhawan, Diljit Dosanjh and Ayushmann Khurrana. For Ahan, this film isn't just another project. It's a shot at redemption and reinvention. Fans, meanwhile, are applauding his honesty. Clips from the interview has been circulating on Instagram and Reddit, with many calling his response mature, grounded and refreshingly real. In an era dominated by clickbait rivalries, others see his statement as part of a larger Bollywood conversation about insider kids navigating hype versus hate, fairy tale debut versus slow burn, and how success timelines don't define talent. With Border 2 advanced booking picking up pace and patriotic buzz building, Ahan seems ready to let his work do what social media never will: speak fairly. Because if there's one thing he's made clear, it's this: manufactured beef may trend, but real careers are built quietly. This is Nikita Rawat and you're watching Times Entertainment.